What are you pulling here?
butt connector on there.
I just, like, I can't even see the green one. It's in the sheets,
That's
Because it only
okay.
sticks out about this far. So I have to, cut into it.
No. Take that right out of there.
Tensioner?
Tension. Why don't you send this guy over there?
So we got 3 triple square 10 mils. Holding the tensioner on. We just took that off. Do a new belt.
New belt and tensioner.
New belt and tension.
Now I'm putting a cool plant down as well. Leave yourself a loop.
No, I let it go. Did we determine if we could have kept that redfish or not?
Yes, we should have kept that redfish.
Probably would have been good eating. 3 triple square 10s.
Yep.
New tensioner, new belt. How did you know it needed a new tensioner?
Tensioner was bouncing like crazy while I was running.
Gotcha. That tensions it?
Yep, that was. Releases the tension.
Gotcha.